Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can get Android apps on your Windows 11. Now normally there is a few Android apps that you can just download from Windows 11's official Microsoft Store. If I go over here and go to app section, there's going to be Spotify, WhatsApp, Spotify, Netflix. These applications are available on your Android phones as well. Canva, OBS. Oh, they've got OBS here. Now if you want to download absolute Android applications, then you will need to go download Amazon App Store on your Windows. Now Amazon App Store will basically provide you with a store that is basically all of the Android apps, and you can download those Android apps on your Windows 11. Now if you come over here, as you can see I've already previously searched for it. This is the Australian version of the Microsoft Store, and the store is only available in Japan and United States, as in this application, Amazon App Store. So what you want to do is basically download the Amazon App Store. Once you finish downloading the Amazon App Store, you can download any of the Android apps from that store as you please. It's not really going to be an hassle. All you got to do is download this. So make sure that your Microsoft Store is the US variant, because if it's not the US variant, you won't be able to get Amazon App Store. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.